Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Trustee Wallet from iPhone. Trustee Wallet is a secure cryptocurrency wallet that lets users store, send, receive and manage multiple digital assets directly from their iPhone. And while it's designed for the convenience and security, you might want to uninstall the app. And if you're switching wallet, troubleshooting issue or simply freeing up your storage on your device, in this video I'll show you exactly how to uninstall Trustee Wallet from iPhone safely and correctly within just a couple of minutes. So first, to uninstall Trustee Wallet from the home screen, you need to find your Trustee Wallet here. Over here, find the Trustee Wallet app icon. Once you find it, what you can do is tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears here. And over the menu, we can see the remove app here on the red font. And again, it will ask you to confirmation to delete. Over here, select delete again to confirm. And the Trustee Wallet will now completely removed from your iPhone. Uninstalling Trustee Wallet does not delete your crypto assets from the blockchain. However, make sure you have backed up a recovery phrase before uninstalling. Without it, you will not be able to restore access to your wallet if you reinstall the app. And that's it. That's how you can uninstall Trustee Wallet app from your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.